How to find your YouTube channel ID on phone. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's actually quite simple. You can go ahead and get this done by using a browser. Any browser works okay. And then from here, you can just go ahead and type here youtube.com. Basically, just open the website itself. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click on this three vertical dots, and then you have to turn on the desktop side. Otherwise, it would not work. Now that we are on a desktop site, we can just go ahead and click our profile here on the upper right, just like so. And then let's go ahead and zoom in because we are going to click the settings. Now that we are in the settings, what we are going to do is see here your YouTube channel. You can just go ahead and click here, view advanced settings, and there you go. So you have there your user ID as well as your channel ID. So go ahead and copy your channel ID from here in order for you to use this for whatever purposes. And yep, that is how you are going to find your channel ID here on phone.